Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is the Batumi University Hospital, which is like one of the hospital of Avicenna and one we saw near the university. So this is the entrance and we are going inside and यहाँ से we will go inside. Yeah, no problem. This is the emergency department. This is the emergency department we can see. And where we do have patients. This is also one of the emergency department. Here there are patients but we cannot go inside. Hello doctor. So what would you like to say about the hospital and clinic?
Well, actually, in this hospital, we have performed the first liver transplant surgery in Georgia, and we're currently still continuing our job at transplant surgery. So, we've up to now we have done 120. So, we are a single center that works and has the most liver transplant performed in Georgia. So students, professionals, healthcare professionals, whoever want to practice in liver surgery and liver transplant surgery are welcomed here, and we could share our own experience, our knowledge about liver disease and their management.
And how is the patient inflow over here?
Well, actually, we've already done around 10, 11 surgeries this year already, and we're preparing currently two recipients for upcoming months to be transplanted, maybe August, maybe September.
Thank you. These certain departments, if they allow us. On this floor, we have cardiology and neurology department, and this area is under reconstruction. Yes. So this is the surgery department. Yeah. So over here is the surgery department floor to see other departments. Mostly it's full, but let's see if we get an empty room and I can show you any department.
This department is internal for internal anesthesia. We have here intensive care room.
So like as we saw, there are mostly patients everywhere and it is difficult to find an empty room, but here we have an empty room and here mostly all the equipments which are needed for the patients are present, and this hospital has really good patient flow. So yeah, this is the department for the patients. This is the intensive care room, and we won't show the patients, but yeah, this is the intensive care room where intensive care of the patient is taken.
Pulmonary problems, and you can take parts of this then.
Okay, this is the room where patients with pulmonary problems are treated, and then we can go to other rooms. There's like specific hospital for Batumi Avicenna University, and let's see are the rooms for the doctors. And this is outpatient department, right? Yeah, so this is the outpatient department wherein we have radiologist and also the chemotherapy department. This is the Batumi Breast Center for chemotherapy, and this is the specific department for chemotherapy. Here we can see. So this is the place for chemotherapy, and these are all the equipments which are needed for the procedure. Department of Liver Disease and Transplantation. As we talked with the professor, the first liver transplant of Georgia was done in this clinic, and currently in this year we have already performed 11 transplants and there are two recipients which are waiting, so that's a good thing. So now we will go to the radiology department. This is the radiology department. Over here is the MRI machine, and here the professors show the students the imaging classes are done, and yeah, we have here we have the CT scan. So here we have the CT scan department, and here the patient CT scans are done. So this is the department of X-ray. Here X-rays are done from there. Over there X-rays are done, and here we can see the X-ray. Let's go over there and let's see the machine. This is the X-ray machine over here, and as we all know, the emitter and the source. Yeah, the laboratory department, and wherein all the tests of the hospital is done. This is the place where specimens and I guess the laboratory instruments are here. And this is the laboratory department wherein all the tests are done, and these are the instruments for maybe different kind of blood test, biopsy, and liver function test. All the blood tests, CBCs are done over here. Here the liver analysis reports are done, and this is again an instrument which is used for different kind of tests. This is the